Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a whole lot to me. Today we're making fluffy akara. If you would like to know how we made this, please keep watching. So for my akara, I'll be using the honey beans, Atarodo pepper, onion, half a tablespoon of salt, and vegetable oil. I've been soaking this bean for about an hour and it's soft enough for me to peel. I'll be using the traditional method of peeling beans using my hands, just because the quantity of the beans I have, it's small, just about 1 cup. But if you have a good food processor, you can go ahead and break the beans first to quicken the whole process. So just peel the beans and sieve out the skin. Repeat the process until you get all the beans white in color. After peeling, I will transfer to my blender and add a little bit of water. Please refrain from adding too much water to your akara batter because you will need your akara batter to be a bit thick. You can go ahead and add little water to your batter if need be, but if you do not, please refrain from adding more water. After blending, this is what your batter should look like, thick and fluffy. Now I'm going to be incorporating air into this batter to make it light and fluffy by mixing it with a cake mixer for about 10 minutes. If you have a hand mixer, that will also do, but if you haven't got any mixer at all, you can go ahead and use a spatula or a mortar and pestle like our mothers do in those days. That will mean mixing it for about 15 to 10 minutes or more. See how light and fluffy it looks? This is what you should be aiming for. Next, I will be adding the salt, blended pepper and onion. Then go ahead and mix with your spatula. Here I've got some vegetable oil heated up and I'm going to start scooping the batter into the oil. I'm going to use a spoon, but you can also use an ice cream spoon or whatever you feel comfortable using, provided it comes out in this shape. Please try not to overcrowd your pan so that the temperature of the oil does not drop too much. Once they are golden brown to your satisfaction, then flip them over. The frying time should be around 5 to 7 minutes, and once you flip it over, you should fry for about 3 more minutes. Once they are all golden brown, transfer to a sieve lined with paper towel. See how beautiful my akara turned out. About a cup of honey beans turned out to bring about 20 to 25 balls of akara. Finally, what's akara without pap and milk? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and then leave a comment. I would like to hear from you guys. Until next time, see you shortly. Bye bye.